Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write Python program to swap two numbers. This program can be written in two ways. Firstly, with using temporary variable, and secondly without using any temporary variable. So I'll show you these two methods of swapping two numbers in Python. So without any delay, let us jump into our PyCharm. I'm on my PyCharm now. Now I am declaring two variables x and y. For the sake of simplicity, I am taking x to be 10 and y to be 5. You can change the values if you want, okay? Now, firstly, let us write this program using temporary variable. I am naming the temporary variable to be temp, okay? Temp is equals to x. Using the statement, we are assigning the value of x to temp, okay? Assigning x to temporary variable. Now let us assign the value of x to y. Using the statement, we are assigning the value of y to x. And finally, let us assign the value of x to y. That is, we have to assign the value of temp, which is the temporary variable, to y. Okay, y is equals to temp. Let me explain this clearly. First of all, we have assigned the value of x to the temporary variable. And at last, we have assigned the value of temporary variable to y. That is, indirectly, we have assigned the value of x to y. And in this statement, we have assigned the value of y to x directly. Okay? Do not get confused. Feel free to pause the video if you need, okay? Now I am printing x and y. I'll run my program, run, swap numbers. Yeah, print x comma y. We have x to be 10 and y to be 5, right? But here it has printed x to be 5 and y to be 10. Now let us write the same program without using any temporary variable. This again can be done in two ways in Python. Firstly, in our traditional way, x is equals to x plus y. Using this statement, the value of x becomes 15, right? In our case. And y is equals to x minus y. By this statement, the value of y becomes, already we have assigned the value of x to be x plus y. So x has become 15. So substituting 15 in our second equation, y is equals to x minus y, we get y is equals to 15 minus 5, that is 10. Okay. Now again having x is equals to x minus y. We already have y to be 10, right? And x to be 15. So 15 minus 10, which is equals to 5. This logic can be applied to any integers or any floating point numbers, okay? Print x is equals to x and y is equals to comma y. Okay, now let me run my program and check if this works or not. Yeah, x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 10. Here in our originally we have x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 5, right? But our output has given x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 10. And don't scold me after showing the last method. X comma y is equals to y comma x. Again remember that this method can be worked only with Python. You cannot do the same way in Java or C or C++, okay? So Python provides us a way to directly swap the numbers. X is equals to, let us see how it works, okay? X is equals to, comma, X, sorry, and Y is equals to Y. Now I'll run my program, run. Yeah, we have got the same output, X is equals to 5 and Y is equals to 10. So swapping of numbers can be done simply by using a single statement X comma Y is equals to Y comma X. I have shown you the last methods to just give you a knowledge of how to implement it in any other programming languages, okay? So this is how you can swap two variables in Python. And also remember that the last method where we have used plus and minus symbols, that method can be worked only for integers. But this method, now I want my first variable to be first one, okay? I'll just give them like this. And second variable to be second. And I'll run my program, run swap numbers. Yeah, it has given me X is equals to second and Y is equals to first, whereas we have given X is equals to first and Y is equals to second. So this method can be worked for strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, or any other type of variables and any other type of data types, okay? But the last method which we have done with plus and minus can be used only for integers. And also remember that in the last method where we have used plus and minus, you can use the multiplication symbol or the division symbol instead of plus and minus. Okay, this is how you can swap the two variables in Python. Bye.